Hi, I am Natalie Waterman and welcome to this week's Regent Weekly Update. We have had such an exciting week this week. We have had, as you can see, I'm here with the Encanto set and we've been having all our performances. So EYFS have done their final performance just now and it was absolutely amazing as ever. Miss Daphne, yet again, has pulled out all the stops to create such a fantastic performance for us. On the subject of performances, next week we are absolutely jam-packed. We have all of our end-of-year primary celebration assemblies that I hope you can come and join us for. And next week we also have our School of Rock performance, which is amazing. If you're around school, you'll be able to hear all the drumming and all the music going on with the rehearsals going on for that. That is on Tuesday and Wednesday next week at 6 o'clock. So if you can make it, please come along and get some tickets for that one. We have the Roscas going on next week for our Year 6 children. That's their graduation. It's a huge event. It's absolutely fantastic. If you've got a child in Year 6, please come along to the musical part of that. If not, you'll see all of the updates as well. It's a really, really special event. We also want to do some celebrating as well this week. We have our swim squad. Do you want to give us a wave? So we're joined here with Mr. Mohan, who is going to tell us all about what a fantastic achievement our swim squad have achieved this week.
Yeah, hello everyone. So whatever I'll speak on the basis of the DASA's organization. So how it works is the DASA, the body which runs the sports events in Dubai, organizes us, putting us into different pools, and then we compete in different events. So the first gala which took place is called the Super Sprint Gala, which took place at the Swiss International School, where we came second. And then we competed at GEMS International School in a relay gala, which we won. And then we competed in Hamdan qualifiers at Dubai American Academy, where we came third. And then we bounced back in the next final gala, which is called the Traditional Gala. And we qualified to compete in the Hamdan finals, which actually takes place in the Olympic complex, in the Hamdan Sports Complex. And because the performance was so good, the swimmers swam so quick, the timings were so appreciated that we got promoted to the second division, which is the highest performance ever, where only the outstanding schools actually compete. So this is a step towards being the outstanding school for Regent, and Swim Squad is actually taking the lead in that. So when we went to compete on the 13th of June, we actually came 16th rank out of the 60 school competed, and all the credit goes to these wonderful children here. They work hard. When most of the children are sleeping, these kids come 6:15 and they start training almost every day in the week. So all the credit to these children, and I have incredible 5 supporting staff. They also come early in the morning. I would like to appreciate them and have some recognition for them as well. And all the credit to these children and the leadership of Natalie and Colette. It's just wonderful. It's just outstanding year for the Regent swimming. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you very much, Mohan. And guys, well done. And as Mr. Mohan said, at 6:30 in the morning, lots of people are in bed, you guys are up on the pool swimming, and before the day has started and before everyone else has even got to school, you've done that. So it's a really, really fantastic achievement, and that hard work has paid off. Well done. I'm sure you will join us in congratulating our swimmers on a fantastic achievement. Have a wonderful weekend.